Hello rail fans and other people from my other channel. Today I have another train book review. My last one was the Mount Mitchell Railroad and stuff. And this time I want to show you this. Yes, this is none other than the Western North Carolina Railroad train book. I had this on my birthday just the other day. It covers every single Western North Carolina railroad. I hope you guys can see it well in the light. Let's go and open it up, shall we? As you can see here, you can see the prisoners on the bottom right. Yeah, on the bottom right here. Right. Hopefully I can get some more railfan videos when the virus is over. That would be amazing. Oh yes, and here is the... Ooh, yeah, sorry about the cover. I need to be careful. Where was I again? Alright, yeah. Here's the... What's this place called again? I've been here. I forgot what it's called. Where the loops are. Yeah, the loops are right here. Then right there, I think, is the Round Knob Hotel. That's how we burned down. I'm not going to go through the whole thing because that would take forever. Just like with my Mount Mitchell Railroad book, I'm not going to go through the whole thing. Show you the most good stuff. The Asheville trains thing. I don't know. I can't really see for the mask. Those of you that are new and you're probably wondering why I'm wearing the mask. Well, one reason. I'm supposed to hide my face from everyone, so yeah. Sorry. Well, Dad says I'm supposed to hide my face for safety reasons, so yeah. I ain't going to do a face review anytime soon, and I guess I probably never will. And there's more and more and more. Yeah, like I said, I'm not going to go through the whole thing, so that would take forever. But try and show you guys the good stuff. Probably lean it down, that way the light can reflect on it and you can see it better. Alright, then you can't see it upside down. Oh yeah, that's one of the southern engines. And I pretty much went through this book already, and it was pretty good. It even had the Mount Mitchell Railroad in it, too, which is awesome. Probably need to hurry before my mask falls off. That would be awful. And right here, oh yes, I remember this. This is, I think this is it. Yeah, this is locomotive number 630 back in its heyday on the Murphy branch. Awesome. Ooh, this is goody. Right here. Oh yeah, this was somewhere in Georgia. That's what it said. And I'm just gonna go for the rest. Just gonna let you guys get to break in. Oh, sorry, I need to let the light reflect on it so you can see it. If you guys can't see it, fine. And I pretty much went through this book already, so yeah, like I said. Alright. Yeah, there's that map. I also don't want to accidentally rip it, that would be awful. Oh, what's this? Is that the map? Hey, this is some railroad map, I think. So. Alright, yeah, that's pretty much the end of this review on the book. What's this? Oh, it's just some diesel. Alright guys, yeah, that's pretty much the end. I just showed you some of the pages, and yeah, that's pretty much my review on this book, and I really love it. It shows every Western North Carolina Railroad. Sorry I couldn't show for the rest, because I didn't want to take a very long time. You get the picture, like I did with the Mount Mitchell book and stuff. And the Mount Mitchell Road is in here, as well as Tweetsy and other stuff. Just showed something. Even on the back, there's a real-life photo of the loops and part of the Western North Carolina Road, aka Norfolk Southern, what it used to look like. And the Round Knob Hotel was there, and the original guys are. I wonder how the guy is able to go up on the mountain and take the picture of this whole thing. I wonder. Yeah, he must have crawled up the mountain. Oh yeah, and there was also Quenchfield Challengers of when they were in Maryland. Probably can't find it right now. Yeah, sorry. But there's one on the front cover, and there was one that looked exactly like the Furry 95 and stuff. So yeah. That marks the end of this review on this train book, the Western North Carolina Railroad one. That shows every single one. And I'm going to put a link to my main channel in case of those of you that are on this channel haven't seen it yet, go ahead. And I'll see you guys next time. Team Rail fans, all aboard!